Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using strategy based on technical analysis, and to help our technical analysis we are going to use Parabolic SAR Indicator. I will start today with a fairly small deposit, $52, and I will try to make today $6,000 or $7,000, and you will see if Parabolic SAR actually will help us or not. In my trading session today I'm going to use 15 seconds time frame. Also, I will open deals from 1 to 2 minutes. Of course, everything depends on the specific situation. Guys, I can't wait to start. Let's find the first entry point. Here the price is moving on an uptrend. At the same time, as you can see, the price made a pretty strong pullback down, and at the moment by impulse goes up, breaking through the dotted lines of the indicator. In such situation, we'll open a deal for 2 minutes up, since the indicator tells us about the upcoming price increase. As you can see, an impulsive green candle has already appeared on the chart. At the same time, the main price lows are also getting higher. All this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential to increase. I think that the price will continue to move up on an uptrend. Also, in this situation, I took the time taking into account possible pro trade or pullback of the price down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move up with mostly green candles. Here I got steady profit. Also, guys, we managed to notice the beginning of an impulsive price increase in time and took a good upward movement. Guys, indicator helped us in this. Also, 2 minutes in this situation was quite perfect. And so, guys, let's continue. As you can see, after a strong impulsive growth, the price went into correction. Here we'll immediately open a deal for a minute to go down, because as you can see, the points of the parabolic are spaced above the graph and move further from it. That is, the indicator makes it clear that the price has a potential to go down. Also, as you can see, recently the price has been moving up mainly with green candles. At the same time, without making rollbacks downwards, we are witnessing such a rollback at the moment, and it is on such a price reduction that we'll try to earn, guys. I think that before the price continues to rise, it will show some kind of decrease at the beginning, or we'll see some kind of pro trading. And so guys, let's wait for the result. It's not bad at all, guys. As you can see, the price is making a downward momentum. Then it quickly goes up. Nevertheless, our deal closed below the entry point, and I made a profit on this deal, guys. As you may have noticed, it is not always possible to find the time for the deal, but in this situation the indicator suggested us a really good entry point, and that's how we were able to earn. So guys, let's continue. Here we observe a certain pro-trading of the price near the support level. At the moment, the price is already going beyond the level, and the dotted line of the parabolic has been broken through. Let's open the deal down here, guys, because the indicator indicates an upcoming price decrease. At the same time, as you can see, there is still a lot of space left before the last price minimum. Also, last time we already observed a breakout of this level and a strong decrease in the price, and now the price is also moving mainly with red candles in this scenario. At the same time, the new price maximum on the chart turned out to be lower than the previous one. All this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential to decrease, and the price is more likely to move down in the near future. In this situation, I also took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account that the price may fall into the pro-trading zone or there will be an upward pullback. Let's watch the chart and see what happens in the near future. Okay guys, not bad at all. As you can see here, the price just got into the pro-trading zone. We didn't manage to see a full breakout of the level or a strong drop in the price, but nevertheless, here we closed the deal positively. We closed the deal in the profit, and I was able to make money on a small price reduction. So guys, let's continue. Here the price is moving on a downtrend. At the same time, the price has been moving up quite actively since the last price low. In such situation, we will open a deal for a minute up. Since the indicator is located under the chart, it is very far from it. This is how we understand that the price has a good potential to increase. At the same time, as you can see, here we had a certain attenuation, and only then the price began to move more impulsively in the opposite direction. So it is more likely that the price will continue to move up in the near future. Now the general trend in the market is going down. At the same time, it is also possible that we will see a price reversal, and now it will move on an uptrend. In this situation, I took the time of 1 minute because recently the price had been moving with significantly longer green candles. Guys, take into account the continuation of such an impulsive movement. We took 1 minute here. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario, and here I got a really good profit. The indicator didn't let us down. It suggested us really good entry point. Also, guys, the time was really perfect in this situation. And guys, meanwhile, our deposit has already increased by more than 10 times from the original amount. It's great, so let's continue. As you can see, after a good steady growth, the price goes into correction. That is, we are seeing a decrease in the price. In such situation, we'll immediately open a deal for a minute to go down. Because as you can see, the dotted line of the parabolic is located above the graph and at a sufficient distance from it. At the same time, in the zone of the last price maximum, the price met some resistance, and then it made a downward impulse. Also, there is still long distance to the lowest point on the chart from our entry point. All this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential to go down. With a high probability, the price will continue to move down in the near future. Guys, now the price is already showing a good decline, so let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price went down with an impulse, and at the same time we see a good pullback up. Our deal, after all, closed with a profit, and that's amazing. Guys, as you can see, 1 minute in this situation was totally enough. Also, the indicator gave us a really good entry point, so everything is great. Let's continue. Here the price is moving on a downtrend. At the same time, the price has been moving up since the last price low and is already hitting the resistance level. In such situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes up because the points of the parabolic are located under the graph, and this suggests that the price is more likely to move up in the near future. At the same time, as you can see earlier, under this level we observed some kind of trading, and then the price began to move against the trend with mostly green candles. This is how we understand that the price has the potential to go up. Also, guys, here we can have a price reversal and we'll move along an uptrend. Guys, in this situation we took 2 minutes. Take into account the possible pro trade or roll back down. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, not bad at all. As you can see here, the price got into the pro-trading zone and didn't manage to get out of it in 2 minutes. Nevertheless, our deal closed above the entry point. We made a profit on this deal, guys. We already have $2,000 on my deposit. We are confidently approaching our trading goal for today. So guys, let's continue. Here the price is moving on a downtrend, and as you can see earlier, it made a strong downward impulse. At the same time, the price began to move up from the last price low. That is, we are now seeing a correction, and at the moment the graph is already touching the dotted line of the parabolic. This is a sell signal, therefore we will open a deal down. I think it is more likely that the price will continue to move down on a downtrend. Also, as you can see, the price has already made a good pull back up, and this means that now nothing prevents it from continuing. it declined. At the same time, there is still a lot of space on the chart before the previous price minimum. All this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential for going down. In this situation, we also took 2 minutes to spare. Take into account possible pro trade or rollback of the price up. Now the price is already showing a good decline in the chart, so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, as you can see, the indicator didn't let us down again. I got a steady profit here. Also 2 minutes in such situation was just perfect. And so guys, let's continue. Here the price is moving on a downtrend. At the same time, as you can see, the price has already touched the resistance level once, and at the moment it is approaching it again. In such situation, we will open a deal up, because the dotted line of the parabolic is located just below the graph and is far enough away from it. Also, the main price lows on the chart are rising, and at the same time there is still a long distance to the resistance level. All this makes it clear to us that at the moment the price has a good potential to increase. I think that in the near future the price will move up to the marked level, and after such growth it will move on a downtrend, guys. On such an upward pullback you will try to earn. So guys, we will take 2 minutes to spare, and let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, as you can see, the price showed a good growth and almost touched the resistance level. I got a steady profit from this deal. The indicator again gave us a good entry point. Also 2 minutes in this situation was amazing. So guys, just look at my deposit. I have $7,000 and the trading goal for today is fulfilled. That's it for today, guys. Today we have worked with Parabolic SAR Indicator, and as you can see, many situations were similar to each other. You can also use this tool in your own trading, just to look for similar situations, for example, which we had today, and try to trade on them using Parabolic SAR Indicator. Guys, with the right experience and certain knowledge, you will definitely succeed in it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video, and of course turn notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Also guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing my trading signals. If you want these trading signals, super easy guys, text me a code word signal and I will add you to my closed group. I wish you to have a successful trading session. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.